Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Koho Premium. But before we get into that, I want to ask you a question. What is the one thing that you wish you had more of in your life? Is it time? Money? Energy? Happiness? For me, it's time. I'm always so busy, and I never seem to have enough time to do everything I want to do. That's why I'm so excited about Koho Premium. Koho Premium is a subscription service that gives you access to a number of exclusive benefits that can help you save time and money. What is Koho Premium? Koho Premium is a subscription service that costs $14.99 per month. It gives you access to the following benefits. Koho Cashback. Earn up to 10% cashback on your everyday purchases. Koho Rewards. Earn points that you can redeem for cash, gift cards, or travel. Koho Boost. Get exclusive discounts and perks from top brands. Koho Insights. Get personalized financial advice and insights to help you reach your financial goals. Koho Premium Support. Get access to dedicated customer support 24/7. How does Koho Premium work? Koho Premium is easy to use. Simply sign up for a Koho account and upgrade to Koho Premium. Once you've done that, you can start enjoying all of the benefits that Koho Premium has to offer. What are the benefits of Koho Premium? There are a number of benefits to using Koho Premium. Here are a few of the most popular. Save time and money. Koho Premium can help you save time and money by giving you access to discounts and perks from top brands. For example, you can get 10% cashback on your groceries, 5% cashback on your dining, and 2% cashback on your gas. Improve your financial health. Koho Premium can help you improve your financial health by giving you access to personalized financial advice and insights. For example, Koho can help you create a budget, track your spending, and save for retirement. Get access to exclusive perks. Koho Premium gives you access to exclusive perks that you won't find anywhere else. For example, you can get free access to the New York Times, free shipping from Amazon, and exclusive discounts on flights and hotels. Enjoy peace of mind. Koho Premium gives you peace of mind knowing that you have access to dedicated customer support 24/7. Who is Koho Premium for? Koho Premium is for anyone who wants to save time, money, and improve their financial health. It is especially well suited for busy people who don't have a lot of time to manage their finances, people who want to earn more cashback and rewards, people who are looking for exclusive discounts and perks, people who want access to personalized financial advice and insights, people who want peace of mind knowing that they have access to dedicated customer support 24/7. How much does Koho Premium cost? Koho Premium costs $14.99 per month. This is a small price to pay for all of the benefits that Koho Premium has to offer. Is Koho Premium worth it? I believe that Koho Premium is absolutely worth it. If you're looking for a way to save time, money, and improve your financial health, then Koho Premium is the perfect solution for you. How to sign up for Koho Premium? If you're interested in signing up for Koho Premium, you can do so here. I hope this video has given you a good overview of Koho Premium. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. If you're interested in learning more about Koho Premium, be sure to check out our website and sign up for a free trial. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video about Koho Premium. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you next time.